Got an OPK file for your retro gaming handheld? This is an application package for OpenDingux, the open source Linux firmware powering popular portable emulation devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install and run these handheld applications. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky OPK errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. OPK files are application package files for OpenDingux-based handheld gaming devices such as the GCW-Zero RG350 and other portable Linux gaming handhelds. They contain compiled applications, emulators, and games packaged for the OpenDingux operating system. OpenDingux OPK files use a SquashFS compressed file system image containing the application binary data files, icons, and a desktop entry metadata file. The read-only compressed format minimizes storage space while providing instant access to application contents. The software default for the OPK file type is the solution provided by OpenDingux Communities, OpenDingux. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows cannot interpret compiled logic, so safe handling must be done with reliable utilities. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the OPK file and click Open With. Test OpenDingux first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your OPK file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the OPK format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, installing applications. Copy the OPK file to the apps directory on your OpenDingux device's external SD card. The device's launcher automatically detects new OPK files and adds them to the application menu. Navigate to the new entry in the device menu and select it to launch the application. Next, managing OPK files. Organize OPK files and categorize folders on your SD card for easier navigation. Delete unwanted applications by removing their OPK files from the apps directory. Some device launchers support multiple OPK directories, allowing separation of emulators, games, utilities, and media applications. Finally, building custom OPK packages. Create OPK files using the MK-SquashFS utility and GCW Tools development kit. Package your compiled application with required data files, a PNG icon, and a properly formatted desktop entry file. Test the OPK on your target device or in an emulated OpenDingux environment before distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.